Okay.
Yeah.
I work for a contracting firm that's out of Pittsburgh, but I work for U.S. Steel's IT department. And I was wondering, after 40 hours, we get paid straight time for anything over 40. Is that what it's supposed to be?
Does that sound right, guys?
Gary, I don't know exactly what your job in IT is. There are a few jobs that are what we call exempt jobs in that field. Now, exempt means that your employer can work you beyond 40 hours and not have to pay you overtime. That's an exempt job. Basic IT jobs are not exempt jobs. Now, there are some programmers' jobs that are exempt. So your situation's one that you would probably be doing yourself a favor by picking up the phone, calling a lawyer that does this kind of practice, and asking a few questions and giving him a few details to find out if you are truly exempt.
Kirby, we run across a lot of times salaried employees who actually get docked on an hourly basis. Let's say, for example, they go to pick up their kid from daycare, or they get sick and they take a couple hours off, and they actually get docked those 2 hours or 3 hours that they don't work. Is that something that someone should, a red flag should go up, and something that you should be aware of?
Yes, it is, Ken, and that's a great point. Being from Winston County, it's what we call having your cake and eating it too. If you are a salaried employee and you are docked for a partial day absence, and that's the key. If you are docked for a partial day absence, that's illegal. You're supposed to get that time. You can be docked for a full day absence for personal reasons. If you take the whole day off for something for yourself as a salaried employee, then you don't have to be paid for that time. The really interesting thing is if a company is docking a group of employees who are salaried for partial day absences, the entire group loses its exemption, not just the person affected, but they can't claim the exemption on any of those employees. So it's very important that
watch out for that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sure. Let's go to